Hey everyone, this is Miko from the Permanent Empire, and I want to thank you so much for tuning into this video. I want to thank those of you who have recently liked, commented, shared, or even subscribed to my channel. I want to let you know that I really do appreciate it. And if you have not done any of those things so far, I want to invite you to do so today. So in this really quick video, I just wanted to make sure that everyone who was a part of the last week's live workshop video over the weekend, I wanted to make sure that you got my email. So today I sent out the replay to all of those who were a part of the online workshop over the weekend on Saturday. I wanted to make sure everyone got it. I got one response back from the emails that I sent out, but I really wanted to make sure that, hey, you got it, and for two, that you could open it and access it. I want to make sure that you have it and that you can access it. So if you know you were a part of last week's workshop and you did not get that email, or you got that email and you were unable to open it, please feel free, reach out to me. You have my contact information. You can DM me. You can also email me to let me know that you did not receive it or you were unable to open it, and I'll make sure that I get that taken care of. I just want to make sure that you got exactly what it is that I told you that I would be giving you, which is not only being part of the live workshop, but that I would also send you a copy of the replay. Now, with that being said, I also wanted to let every one of you who have asked me about the replay, I have made that available on my YouTube page. It's actually in my About section or About tab. It's under the About tab or the About section, and there is a link for the replay of the workshop. Now, that workshop, it is available for purchase at $79. It is there right at the About section on this YouTube page. So if you still would like to be a part of it, no, you may not have been a part of it live, but if you just want to get that information, you still want to access that information, you still want to check it out, I definitely wanted to let you know it is available there for purchase. And at your time, whenever you feel the need that, hey, I want to take a look at this, I want to check this out, hey, it is available, it is there, it is under the About section. So all you have to do whenever you're ready or whenever you would like to, go ahead, take a look at the About section on this YouTube page and go ahead and make that purchase if you're interested in getting that information. And like I said, I've been asked about it a lot, so I want to make sure that it's available. I am not sure when I'll do another live workshop or if I'll do another live workshop. So I definitely wanted to make that replay available for those of you who were interested. Okay? So again, if you were part of that workshop last weekend, make sure, check your email. I want to make sure that you have the replay and that you can open it and that you can access it. And again, if you were interested in getting the information, if you wanted to be a part of the workshop, but for whatever reason you were unable to at the time, definitely feel free to check it out. It is in the About section on this YouTube page. You will see the link for the purchase of that workshop. So I just wanted to jump in here really quick with that information. Again, contact me if you did not get it and you were part of that workshop. Thank you all so much for your time. And I ask, though, if you have any questions, you have any comments, definitely please feel free to leave them below in the comments section. And I look forward to chit-chatting with you later.